Tired of your Wix site feeling more like a digital brochure than a booming online store? Let's transform it into a selling machine by adding a fully functional shopping cart in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you have Wix Stores installed in your Wix editor. Navigate to the left-hand side and click on the plus icon, labeled Add, then search for Stores and click Add to Site. Wix will automatically create a shop page for you. Now, let's add some products. Go to your shop page in the Wix editor. You can either manually add product elements or import existing products for each product. Make sure you have an Add to Cart button. Wix usually adds this automatically when you set up a product, but double check to be sure. Customize the buttons designed to match your brand. Let's configure your cart settings from the Wix editor. Click on the My Store icon, then select Manage Store, which will bring you to your dashboard on the left-hand side. Click on Settings, then Store Settings. Here, you can set up your shipping rules, specifying regions, rates, and weight-based options. Next, configure your tax settings to ensure you're compliant with local regulations. Finally, ensure a seamless checkout experience. Review your checkout page design. Make sure all required information fields are clear and easy to fill out. Integrate secure payment methods like PayPal or Stripe. Test the entire process from adding a product to completing the purchase to catch any potential hiccups. Now you are ready to start selling.